Hello, children. Welcome back to your English class. Today, we are going to start with another topic from our grammar part, which is regular and irregular verbs. We are going to know their role, right? Their forms, 5 forms of verb, helping verbs, regular and irregular verbs, right? So, first of all, let's see some importance of a verb. You all know plays a very important role in a sentence, as it tells us what action takes place or what is done by a person or thing, right? You all know verb क्या बताता है हमको, क्या action किया गया है, what action takes place. Like Hina sings, so here what action is going on? Sings. Mahi runs, so what is the action here? Runs. So sings and runs, these two are verbs in these sentences. A verb also tells us what a noun is. Like she is a teacher. Okay, she is a teacher, so here the word is telling us about noun she, that she is a teacher. Coal is black. Okay, so it performs this function also, and along with this it also tells us our perception of a noun. Like our perception means what is our thinking, like what is a noun. Like the answer seems right, answer lag raha hai ki right hai, seems means lag raha hai. Okay, the child appears to be all right, child lag raha hai ki haan theek hai child now. Okay, so it's our perception, that means our thinking, kaisa hai wo noun, right? So basically it is like a verb along with the action word, it also tells us some other things even, right? So basically now we are going to see 5 forms of verb. Okay, so a verb mainly have 5 forms. Base form, what is the base form? Original जो verb होता है आपका, base form, ing form, past tense form, past participle form, and the to infinitive form. These are the 5 forms of a verb. Let's see these forms. First one, base form, original form, जो आपका verb actually में word है, right? ing form, like continuous form when we put ing after that verb. Past tense, when we form past tense. Participle. Now what is it, past participle? Basically students, this is formed, it is mainly form of a verb, right? And it is used as an adjective to form tense. Like आप tense बनाते हो, like mainly it ends with ed, d, t, en or n. Okay, so basically it ends with ed, d, t, en or n, and it may be used as an adjective or to form a verb tense. That means किसी verb का tense बनाने के लिए. You all know tenses, right? Verb की form को ही आप tenses में convert करते हो ना, right? So basically it does this work, participle. And the next one is to infinitive. And what is to infinitive? To infinitive means to plus base form of the verb. To plus base form. Base form means जो आपका original verb होता है ना वो, right? So to plus base form is the to infinitive form. Let's see some examples. Just see, there's a table given. Laugh, laughed, past participle laughed, again past tense. Ing form laughing, to infinitive, to plus base form, that is laugh. Again walk, walked, walked, walking, to walk. Go, went, gone, going, to go. Catch, caught, catching, to catch. Do you see here? Catching is like ing form is used. Infinitive, to plus verb's first form, that means catch. Cut, cutting, to cut. Right? Now basically you can see some of the words here are in the form that they are same in base form also, past tense also, participle also. Like cut, देखो तीनों में same है. This one is irregular verb because there is no fixed pattern. जिस तरह से ये change होने वाला है, there is no fixed pattern, right? So these are our 5 forms: base form, past tense, past participle, ing, and to infinitive. Now let's know about helping verbs and main verbs. आपको पता है verbs में आपके 2 parts होते हैं. एक तो होते हैं helping verbs जिनको आप auxiliary verbs भी बोलते हो, and the next one are the main verbs जो आपके main action words होते हैं, right? So let's know them. Helping verbs, which are also known as auxiliary verbs, are needed to form the grammatical structure of a sentence. जब भी आप कोई sentence बनाते हो, right? So obviously वो sentence it should be grammatically correct, ग्रामेटिकली करेक्ट होना चाहिए वो. एंड टू मेक इट करेक्ट, टू मेक द ग्रामेटिकल करेक्ट स्ट्रक्चर, वी नीड हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स और ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब्स, राइट. स्पेशली टू फॉर्म टेंसेस करेक्ट करने के लिए वी नीड दीज वर्ब्स, राइट. लाइक Karan was crossing the road. Karan was crossing the road. So in this, crossing is the action. So it is the main verb. Main verb क्या होता है? जो action word होता है आपका, right? So was is the auxiliary verb. Crossing is the main verb. आपने देखा was जो word है आपका, it is auxiliary verb because it is helping the word crossing to give it a टेंस फॉर्म. वॉज क्रॉसिंग, पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस आ गया आपका, राइट. सो विदाउट वॉज आप उसको ग्रामेटिकली करेक्ट नहीं कह सकते आपके सेंटेंस को, राइट. सो दीज आर द वर्ब्स विच आर यूज्ड टू मेक आवर सेंटेंस ग्रामेटिकली करेक्ट. ओके, दीज help the main verb to make the proper tense of the sentence. Got it, everyone? And main verbs, you all know, main verbs are the action words. Right. The primary helping verbs are the forms of the verbs be, do and have. These can be used as helping verbs or as main verbs. Now, primary, जो main आपके helping verbs होते हैं ना, these are the forms of be. आप सबको पता है जो be word होता है उसके बहुत सारे forms होते हैं. In the same way, we have forms of do and have. Okay, so we are going to know about these forms of be, do and have and their uses. Now these can be used as helping verbs. इनको forms को आप as helping verbs भी use कर सकते हो and they can be used as main verbs also. Like Hina is writing an essay. Hina is writing an essay. Now is the helping verb and writing is the main verb क्योंकि आपका main work क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे? Writing. So writing is the main verb and is क्या कर रहा है? Main verb को help कर रहा है. So it's a helping verb. Right? In the same way, just see the second one. Does Mrs. Rao teach English? In this, teach is the main verb because action है ये एक, right? And does क्या कर रहा है? Does is helping us to make proper tense of the sentence, right? So main verb is the action word and all these does is they are helping main verb to create proper tense. Okay, so here I hope you have understood helping verbs and main verbs. Helping verbs are helping the main verb. Okay, and main verb are action words, right? But there is another sentence. Just see. Nina has a new car. In this, has is the main verb because there is no main verb here. There is no action going on here. So has is the main verb because it is helping us create a grammatically correct sentence by forming the tense, right? Tense में help कर रहा है. So has is the main verb. So students, आपको क्या ध्यान रखना है? That helping verbs जो होते हैं they are the forms of be, do and have. अब forms क्या होते हैं be, do, have की? First of all, let's see the uses of be. But before that, let's see what are the forms of be. Forms of be are is, am, are, was, were, been, being. These are the forms of verb be. Got it? Now what are their uses? To make continuous tenses. आप सबको पता है जब भी हम continuous tense use करते हैं so either we use is, am, are, was, were, right? Okay, like Raj is watching TV. So यहाँ पे आपने continuous tense, you have made the continuous tense, but what you have used, which form of verb? Is. Okay, to make passive. Basically, you are having separate chapter of passive voice. Basically, students, passive is when something is done, right? And the subject is the receiver of the action. जो आपका subject है ना करने वाला, he is the receiver of the action. So in this sentence, the fruits are kept in the basket. So what are kept? Fruits. Okay, so fruits is the receiver of the action here. And what we have used in this? Which helping verb? Are. और are क्या है? It is one of the form of be, right? So these are the uses of be. Now let's see the uses of have. You all know have is used to make perfect tenses. Now what are the forms of have? Had, have or has. These are the forms of have. Okay. I have finished my work. I have finished my work. So it is used to make perfect tense. जब भी आप tenses, when we'll see perfect tenses को make करने में it is being used. Have, right? Now let's see the uses of do. To make negatives. I don't like coffee or I do not like coffee. So to make negatives we use do. To ask questions. Do you have a pen? Do you have a book? So it is used to ask questions also. To show emphasis. Now what is emphasis? To focus on something. Like I do study for my exams. That means मैं पढ़ता हूँ. So you are focusing. आप किसी को बता रहे हो. Right? If someone says, don't you study for your exams? I do study. मैं पढ़ता हूँ. Okay? So do here is used to show focus or emphasis. So students, mainly verbs can be classified as regular, irregular verbs, transitive, intransitive verbs, finite and non-finite verbs. Okay, and among these, from these three, you all know we have done transitive and intransitive verbs. कर लिए हमने, right? Okay, so now today we are going to see regular, irregular verbs, and in the next class we'll see finite and non-finite verbs. Okay, so let's see regular and irregular verbs. Verbs that form their past tense or past participle by adding d or ed. That means they form their past tense form and past participle form by adding d or ed at the end. Right? They are known as regular verbs. Now d and ed are added to the base form. Students, base form क्या होता है? Base form means जो आपका original verb का form होता है. Okay? So whenever the verbs form their past tense and past participle tense or form by adding ded to the base form, they are known as regular verbs. Like laugh, laughed, walk, walked. Okay, so these are regular verbs because they are forming their past and past participle by adding d or ed, right? We have just added d or ed in these. So these are regular verbs. And on the other hand, if we see about irregular verbs, these are the verbs that form their past tense and past participle in many ways. That means there is no fixed pattern. इनका कोई fixed pattern नहीं होता है. Like in the previous one, regular, we have seen they form their past and past participle by ded, right? But they don't have any fixed pattern, and that is the reason they are known as irregular, because there is no regular pattern कोई भी. ठीक है? That's why they are known as irregular verbs, as they don't have any fixed pattern to make past tense form and past participle form, right? Now we are going to see some types of irregular verbs, right? Mainly there are three types, okay, in which irregular verbs can be formed. Like first one is verbs with all three forms identical. Okay, like this is the kind in which all the three kinds जो आपके base form है, past tense है and past participle, all three are identical. Identical means same. Like cut, then again past tense cut and then cut. Let, bet, bet, bid, bade, bidden, broadcast, burst, cast, cost, forecast, hit and hit. Again same, hurt, input. So as you can see, these are the forms or the verbs in which all the three parts, that means base form, past tense and participle, all three are same. In the next type is the verbs with two parts identical. इसमें ऐसे हैं कि the verbs are there in which two parts हैं identical and the other one is different. Like spend, spent. In this you can see past and past participle are same. Come, came, come. Build, built. Burn, burned. Dwell, dwelled. Learn, learned. Smell, smelled. Spell, spelled. Spill, spilled. Spoil, spoiled and spoiled. So as you can see in this table, you can see two parts are identical. Third one is different. Okay, in the first type we have seen all three were same. In this, two are same and one is different. And the third type that is coming up is in which all the three parts, all the three forms are different. Like you can see, go, went, gone, all three are different. Blow, blew, blown. Speak, spoke, spoken. Do, did, done. Draw, drew, drawn. Eat, ate, eaten. Begin, began, begun. Drink, drank, drunk. Ring, rang, rung. Shrink, shrank, shrunk. Sing, sang, sung. So in this kind, all the three verbs, all the three forms of the verbs, base, past tense, past participle, all three are different. Okay, so these were the three types of irregular verbs, and they are called irregular because there is no fixed pattern for their change. Okay, so basically, to summarize, regular verbs, these are the verbs which form their past tense and past participle by adding ded to their base form. Okay, these are regular, and irregular means when there is no fixed pattern for their change. Okay, so these are the two kinds. So this is one type of verb, regular and irregular. We have studied transitive, intransitive, and in future we are going to study finite and non-finite. Students, I hope lesson is clear to you. Please go through all the rules again, go through the video. You can use your book. Please go through all the examples. Still any doubt, contact me anytime. Okay, and do try all the exercises by your own first, then you can refer to the answer key, right? I'll see you all in your next class. Till then, just take care, students. Thank you so much.